see happily and family. Fun gardening. All right, Marcus said I got him for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, he's gonna move these pallets for me. All right, let's do it.
Now here's the Marcus that has my back. That's very helpful. But let's just watch to see what really happens. The helpful Marcus. Isn't he so helpful and loving?
The letter in the middle.
Yes, please. Strong, maybe. Do not hurt my hydrangea or step on. I gotta deal with this smart mouth. Now he want to speak Spanish. Yeah, you strong. There you go.
Strong is all about technique.
Sure. He's still talking.
And then you need a level ground.
I'm gonna have to get over there, y'all. Okay. That ain't set up where I can access the pole.
You're gonna have to navigate your plants in a
Oh, here. No, just put comes. Oh my gosh. Over the oh my gosh, Marcus. You gotta put the pole. You have to put that. Marcus did it again. What is he smiling for? He didn't do a good job. Legend's turn. If I don't have any flowers, this is why. Because of Legend. Y'all see this child? You ain't pruning. He's collecting the super tunia flowers. So if they don't have any blooms on them, hey. No. You don't take it, Mr. Smarty Pants. You do not take them, okay? High five. No, too slow. That means don't get him. He's salty. He usually laughs. Okay, come on. That's his smile. That's the only way I can get him to smile. Stop it though, Legend. Now this is the very helpful Legend. He's breaking up the clay soil for his mommy. Isn't this just so beautiful? He said, you need more? Okay, I'll give you more, mommy. He said, I'm even going to put it on the show. Mama's boy. Oh, yeah, you strong. He can plant a plant, I tell you. You all, and look where he's getting the dirt from. This is so adorable. Legend is separating the weeds from the dirt. My hard worker. And he's putting it inside of a container for me because he saw me emptying it. Good boy. Now this is where things change. You're stepping on my flowers. Legend, stop taking my flowers. You've never done that before. Please. You're gonna be on punishment for the rest of the fall. Put your kid on punishment by the season. He's still pulling Legend, stop flowers. Taking my flowers. Legend, stop taking my flowers. They say the good outweighs the bad. No. If y'all thought that was bad, it gets worse. Legend is on punishment for fall. The entire fall. He took my newly, oh my gosh, hydrangeas on punishment for the entire fall. He ain't coming outside no more. No more videos. My son did this. He took them from off of here. Look at him. I see the damage. I see the proof. Man, I got a few more, but ooh, I was looking forward to this trail, y'all. I tell you, think 3 times before you have kids. Ooh, I'm so mad. I had some beautiful blooms. Now I gotta wait. So after that, Legend still pulled flowers. Thank you all so much for watching this portion. It was a long intro, but this is the reality of gardening with a family. I did go to Lowe's to get these plants and more, so please watch the rest of the video to see what I planted in this breast cancer awareness garden. Also, I will post another video of my shopping experience and how I got half off. So this is a sneak peek. Sneak peek, sneak peek.
Oh, all right, I got to see the man. One that's there. One of those there. Hard work. Let's see what Legend is doing. Ain't no telling. Playing in the ashes. Somebody must be up there. What you doing, Papa? Legend, why are you playing in ashes? All right. Pink, white, and gray. All right, that's the gray. It looks more pristine compared to this black. See the difference? That black versus that gray. Yeah, I like it. I ain't about to miss my friend. Legend, you spray painting all of that. Legend been playing in the ash. Y'all look at his face. Oh, I had to cover the plants. This is work. What you doing up top? Gonna get down now? Okay. Bridges. Legend is good at potty training, but when I'm out here, he don't know how to go in the house, so oh well. White and gray for now. Every gardener needs a shower curtain. I tell y'all it works for everything. Shout out to Enthusiastic Gardener that I seen use one first, and now I have just, oh, and keep your boxes. Of course, we know to keep our boxes, but I'm almost finished. All right, it's done. Don't that look better? I'm just gonna highlight the new sections. That's a white and pink garden. White and pink.
Right there. Drop it. Get that. Legs